In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change LinkedIn password. If you want to update your LinkedIn password for better security, this process is quick and straightforward. Changing your password regularly is a smart habit, especially if you think your current one may be too old, too simple, or reused on other websites. Let's walk through it together from the LinkedIn home feed. Start by opening LinkedIn and making sure you're on the main feed page. Once you're there, look to the top area of the screen and click on Me. This opens the account menu where LinkedIn keeps your profile and account-related options. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main settings area for your account. If you've never visited this page before, don't worry. LinkedIn organizes everything into sections, and we're heading to the area that controls login and account protection. Next, click on Sign In and Security. This section contains options related to your password, email security, and other sign-in settings. Once you're in the right section, look for the option labeled Change Password and click on it. LinkedIn will now open the password update form. In the first field, type your current password. This step is important because LinkedIn uses it to confirm that it's really you making the change. Be sure to enter it carefully, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. After that, move to the next field and type your new password. Choose something strong and secure. A good password is usually longer, unique, and not easy for someone else to guess. It's a good idea to avoid common words or simple patterns. Then, in the next field, retype your new password. This is just to confirm that you entered it correctly the first time. Since passwords are hidden as you type, re-entering it helps prevent mistakes that could lock you out later. Once everything looks correct, click Save Password. LinkedIn will then apply the change and update your account with the new password. After saving, it's a good idea to remember your new password or store it in a trusted password manager so you don't lose access to your account. Also, if you use LinkedIn on multiple devices, you may be asked to sign in again with the new password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your LinkedIn password.